Hey, it's Leanne and Jeff, Realty One Group, out here with another amazing episode of Inspirada TV.
Yes, we are at 3209 Waterstone. So this is a tri-point build. The Arden models, this would be the Plan 4. This is the largest one that tri-point built, 2736 square foot. And boy, do I love this floor plan.
Wow, I love this. Yeah, I love a good entryway.
Yeah, great place for entry table kind of thing. But you have a bedroom down right here. Could also be a fantastic office. So plantation shutters throughout here,
nice.
At least in this room. We'll have to see.
Yeah.
And I love these tri-point doors. They're not just like the cheap 6-panel doors.
This would make a great office. It even has electricity in the floor.
Yeah, pretty unique.
Or you could use it as guest bedroom or family member who needs to live with you.
So, yeah, full bath.
Love it.
And this is priced at what?
It's priced at $649,000. It's built in 2022 and 2736 square foot, 4-bedroom with a loft.
All of these models, the Plan 1 through 4, some of my favorite. They're so modern. They have this similar layout for today's living, where the kitchen's still open to everything.
Yeah.
Not the formal dining, formal living, and then a separate family room.
Right. I love this type of living, though. Like,
I do too.
Especially if you have kids, because you can watch the kids while you do all the things you gotta do.
And this island is the biggest island that these had. Easily 4 stools, if not squeeze 5.
Maybe
5
5 or 6. I mean, that's a huge island for sure. It's a gorgeous kitchen. I really like this.
Yeah, the 42-inch shakers.
Yeah, super nice.
Yeah, 9-foot ceilings, plantation shutters. So far, everywhere we've looked.
And this has solar. It is financed, so you would have to assume that loan for the solar, and it is $124 a month.
$124 a month, yeah.
Which is way cheaper than electricity.
Super cozy backyard.
Yeah, it's very private back here.
Not a lot to take care of. Yeah. I've always loved these big 2-foot concrete steps. So it looks like 2 AC units. Again, built in 2020.
2022.
22. So I mean, we're talking it's just 4 years old.
Yeah, it's like the new house.
Yeah, covered patio, super nice.
Super large sliders.
You put up some blinds right there. I mean blinds, some curtains here. Really.
Oh yeah.
It would. You know, if you don't want it to take care of a yard, this really is. It gives you all the living space without the upkeep.
Yeah. And, you know, here in Vegas, there's only, 2 weeks in the spring and 2 weeks in the fall when we actually want to hang out in the front.
That's right.
Outside. It's too hot or too cold.
I will step out to the garage. So this should have the tankless water heater that tri-point did. Ooh, wow, look at those floors.
Oh, wow. Shiny and pretty.
Yeah. So water filtration, tankless water heater. I've always loved that they have the window in the garage.
The fact that they actually put the blinds in there is amazing as well. Nice.
So this is part of Inspirada Town Center. Super close to the Starbucks, the whiskey bar.
Yep.
And I really like these.
Yeah, very modern. Yeah.
So as always, please like and subscribe to our channel. We have hundreds of videos up and our website. Each video has the accompanying listing of the property, so you can get all the details on our site. And the other cool thing is there are tags. So for example, this one will have a 2736 tag, and you'll be able to see all of the video tours that we've shot of this floor plan. And at this point, there are several of these up.
This is a great loft.
Yes.
Lots of great natural light in here.
Could be a TV room, could be a playroom for the kids.
Yeah. So many things. What would you make it, Jeff?
And what we'll get to this, but I love how this cuts through to the
Full
closet.
bath? Double
So
sink?
raised vanity, double sink. I like these tubs that TriPoint put in.
Yeah, they're always nice.
So this
They're
would be
deep.
bedroom 3. And we have 9-foot ceilings up here too.
Yeah, which is amazing. Recessed lighting in the bedrooms. I love that.
Ceiling fan pre-wire
Yeah.
already. So if you're thinking that you want a home in Henderson, and maybe you're out of state, you may not be familiar with what Inspirada has to offer. But this, a lot of people call this West Henderson. And it really is something for you to dig in. And again, our website, homesinspirada.com, is the perfect place to do that.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's jump into the primary. So this is a good size
Giant.
suite.
It's really, really big.
Especially with the corner windows. I know,
I
loved
love that.
the corner windows. I mean, the plantation shutters are kind of hiding how cool they are, but it's just these square windows. So much natural light. It's so bright in here.
Yeah. Super cool.
Kuka.
Good cat.
So yes, this primary has the door that cuts through to the laundry room, which is super nice.
Yeah. Awesome bathroom.
You know, I love the bench seat, glass.
Great space.
And this dual vanity is so long in this floor plan.
Yes. It's,
With drawers, really nice.
yeah.
Dual sinks.
Water
separate water
closet.
closet.
Necessity.
So as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, homesinspirada.com. Our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. This property is priced at $649,000, which we didn't mention in the beginning. But if you want to see this home or any other, just reach out to us. Leanne and I live just down the hill in here in Inspirada, and we'd love to make you a neighbor. Thanks for watching.